Cessna 185 skywagon with the banner. Okay. You can see the beach on this side. Yep. This beach over there. On this side too. See that? It's all the beach. And here comes the pie. There's the Yep, still in Outer Banks, North Carolina. Yeah, what's up? Oh yeah, what's up, Mr. Anzala and Mr. Compress? Yep, I'm in Outer Banks, North Carolina today. This is the Cessna 185 skywagon, I'm assuming, I think. And right behind it, this is the Parrot Bay banner. Coming this way. There's the plane. Parrot Bay. There it goes.